The animal of the day, October 23rd, is the vampire squid or the binomial name Vampiroteuthis infernalis. Type: cephalopod. Diet: detritivore. Average lifespan: 6 to 10 years. Size: up to 1 foot in length. Weight: 1 to 2 pounds. Population status currently October 23, 2024. Unknown. Population estimate: unknown. Native lands: worldwide. Primary habitat: temperate and tropical deep water zones. Main predators: large deep-sea fish, deep-diving mammals, and other large cephalopods. Active time: nocturnal. Species age: roughly 165 million years old. Notes: the vampire squid is a small cephalopod found throughout temperate and tropical oceans in extreme deep-sea conditions. The vampire squid uses its bioluminescent organs and its unique oxygen metabolism to thrive in the parts of the ocean with the lowest concentrations of oxygen. The vampire squid is actually a misnomer, and it is not an actual squid. This is because it has two long retractile filaments located between the first two pairs of arms on its dorsal side, which distinguishes it from both octopuses and squids. The vampire squid's gelatinous body varies in color from velvety jet black to a pale red depending on location and lighting conditions. A webbing of skin connects the vampire squid's 8 arms, each lined with rows of fleshy spines or cirri. The name vampire squid was inspired by its dark color and cloak-like webbing, and it does not feed on blood. Instead, it feeds on detritus or dead organic matter. Mature adults have a pair of small fins projecting from the lateral sides of the mantle. These are like fins serve as the adult's primary means of propulsion. Vampire squids move through the water by flapping their fins. The vampire squid is almost entirely covered in light-producing organs called photophores, capable of producing disorienting flashes of light ranging in duration from fractions of a second to several minutes. Vampire squids can also modulate the intensity and size of the photophores. The chromatophores, common to most cephalopods, are poorly developed in the vampire squid and therefore is incapable of changing its skin color. The vampire squid is an extreme example of a deep-sea cephalopod thought to reside at aphatic, lightless depths from 2,000 to 3,000 feet or more. Within this region of the world's oceans is a discrete habitat known as the oxygen minimum zone. Within this zone, the saturation of oxygen is too low to support aerobic metabolism in most complex organisms. The vampire squid is the only cephalopod able to live its entire life cycle in the minimum zone at oxygen saturations as low as 3%. Like many deep-sea cephalopods, the vampire squid lacks ink sacs. Therefore, if it is disturbed, it will curl its arms up outwards and wrap them around its body, turning itself inside out in a way, exposing spiny projections. Every day is a new animal, so come back for more.